What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. Today we're going to be talking about Yoshin as the stock tanked over 12% today, and as I mentioned yesterday, I completely sold out of this position, so I don't have a position in Yoshin at the time. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. Make sure you hit the like button because that really does go a long way in helping out the channel. And lastly, if you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click the link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. When you open up your new brokerage account with WeBull, using the link in the description, you're going to receive one free stock valued anywhere from $3 to $30. And when you make initial deposit of $100 or more, you're going to receive another free stock. And that second free stock is going to be valued anywhere from $8,000 to $2,000. So in total, you have the opportunity to get $2,300 worth of free stocks just by signing up for WeBull and making an initial deposit of $100. Click the link in the description to get started today. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about Yoshin. It's currently 7:44 p.m. Central Time here in Texas, and the stock is currently trading at $4.51. It's down 12.93% today. Okay, so yesterday I took profits in Yoshin. If you've been watching the channel, I mentioned that I actually tripled my position in Yoshin when the stock was at $2.63. I've been buying in long before that, but my intention when it came to tripling my position was to actually sell half of it after I felt like there was going to be a run up and put half of that money into NIO. Well, after what I felt like was the run up, I decided to actually completely sell out of it, put all that money into NIO. Now I'm waiting about 30 days or 29 now so that I don't get caught up in a wash sale, but I do plan on buying back in because I like the company. Interesting strategy, but I feel like the stock was very volatile and easily manipulatable. So I just want things to steady out, and I do feel like there's a lot of growth ahead for a company like Yoshin. So I do want to be a part of that as well. But obviously NIO is my most conviction pick, and I knew that I wanted a certain amount of shares to sit on. But anyways, lucky me, the day after I exit my position, it drops 12%. And then earlier in the morning, it was actually down close to 20%. So pretty wild that happened. And a lot of people can't wrap their heads around why the stock fell with such good news coming out today, and myself included. The good news being that Yoshin has a definitive agreement to receive up to $315 million from NIO Capital and from Joy Capital. Yoshin announced his financing transaction of $315 million. A leading nationwide online used car company dealer in China today announced that it has entered into a definitive agreement with NIO Capital and Joy Capital, pursuant to both which investors have already agreed to invest a total up to $315 million in the company. Concurrently, the company has agreed with its convertible note holders, including 58.com, TPG, Warbug, Pincus, to convert their convertible notes in an aggregate principal amount of $69 million into Class A ordinary shares of the company. Over 10 investors, including NIO Capital, Joy Capital, and the above-mentioned convertible note holders, will agree to not sell their shares in the company in the next 9 months. The transaction is subject to customary closing conditions stipulated in the agreement. William Lee, chairman of NIO and managing partner of NIO Capital, commented, "The used car market has exponential growth in China. As one of the leading online used car dealers in China, Yoshin relies heavily on a one-stop business model to provide car buyers nationwide with high quality and comprehensive after-the-sale services. Yoshin has effectively tackled critical problems that affect traditional dealers. We believe that Yoshin will continue to lead the development of the domestic used car market and help transform the industry to new heights in quality and reliability." This is great news for the company. Congrats to all of those who are still holding. I guess I have the opportunity to still add if I don't care about the wash sale. But yeah, I think this is really good news. The sell-off could be temporary. And we'll see where it goes from there. It's good to see things come full circle though, because earlier on this channel I've been mentioned that William Lee is very bullish on the used car market. He said that way back in the day when he was talking about Yoshin and their partnership with 58.com and another company that William Lee used to be the CEO of Bit Auto. So if you just kind of put the pieces together, it all kind of came full circle. William Lee was one of the earliest investors in Yoshin as well. I mentioned that on the channel as well, so it's good to see them doing something with NIO now. Really good news, I think. But overall, that's going to be it for today's video. If this video was helpful in any way, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.